The cultivation of the Indus Valley. Irrigation was developed in the cultivation of the Indus Valley around 4500 BC. This innovation led to the rise and prosperity of the Indus civilization, which led to the development of the more planned settlements due to the use of the sewage and drainage. Prior to the 18th century agricultural revolution in Western Europe, the central location was in 1924 multi-crops and rotations around for 7.2% of the area owned by the Russian Federation, but this improvement was mostly limited to the central industrial western and northwest region. The prevalence of the Moscow was at the forefront. The three-field system was finished by the end of the 1990s, but by the mid-1920s such progress was mostly confined to the central industries, western and northwest region. There has been very little progress so far in areas of grain. In 1924, the multi-course system covered only 3% of the cultivated area in the central Black Earth region, and the situation was worse. But after that, there was a rapid growth in the areas of our grain. It also continued in the grain deficit areas. By 1927, 17.3% of the area sown in the Russian Federation was covered by the multi-course rotation, and 1928 gross was replaced almost everywhere by fall, which is the most important exception. Central bank terrain, wide belt stability, natural cohesion of ground rotation for the improved crop rotation was worked fully stable forms, and the Katuri and the Otropi multi-course system largely eliminated the three-course section. But after the revolution, such fields were largely broken outside their established territories. The new government generally favored partially stability in broad strips, which was less individualistic and was the form. The stability and generally took multi-course rotations were usually made on a solid ground and usually to the two opened simultaneously. In such a case, a certain amount of the bandage stabilization was necessary to prevent the multiplication of the strips. If a mirror changes from 3 course to 6 course rotation, for example, the number of strips in each course house is otherwise I double its size. Broadband durability also solved the problem of the over-tight strips and the large parties. The volume of the goes from the bandage to the belt in the developed region of the Moscow prevents 32.1% of the peasant families. Improved the open field. The expanded strips prior period in 1917 1925, the Soviet Union had about 7.5 mayors. Further progress took place in the late 1920s. The result was Northern Caucasus, which was by the end of the 1927 had converted 19.4% of the agricultural areas into vast areas, and in 1928 21.9%. Gardening, the development of the cities and the towns is in central Russia in the late 19th century encouraged the development of the market gardening and truck farming in the region. The rapid development of the garden economy on the occasion of the 1917 revolution of confirmed at least two missions in the India, which were launched in 1647 CE to the acquire technology for the sugar refining. 1150 Ashoka Ibn Imran and Al-Kalkushindi. 14th century agriculture society research in southern India during the Chola dynasty of the Naburu Kalshyama shows that during the Chola rules, the transfer of the land and mass occupation by a group of people gradually gentle gave way to the individual plots of lands, each with its own irrigation system. Dry cultivation areas may be reduced due to the increase in the individual style of farming property. The Cholas also bureaucrats and dry areas.